Hi, I'd like to share with you 3 things about dynamic strategy. Number 1, what it is. Number 2, what it does. And number 3, how it adapts. What it is. Dynamic strategy is a 6-week, highly interactive and engaging process where we take your senior-most leaders, we bring in also perhaps some board members, equity partners, and the right number of industry experts, and we build your strategy together. What it does, it creates momentum. We've actually heard from a client who went through the dynamic strategy process that he visibly saw anxiety levels drop and momentum increase with the team that was developing the strategy. Who wouldn't want that? How did we do that? Well, we brought clarity to the strategy itself and also connection. Not only connection to the strategy, but also connection with one another, the individuals who will ultimately be responsible for delivering on the strategy. How it adapts. Dynamic strategy is not a traditional strategic planning effort where a team of people maybe go off to the side and develop a strategy after hours and hours of analysis and data and hand you a 100-slide PowerPoint deck. That's not dynamic strategy. Dynamic strategy is highly adaptable and engaging over time. We actually take the value plays that we define that'll be most critical to your business's success, and we ladder them down to individual initiatives that are clear, that have measures of success behind them, and also have accountability built right in. That allows your strategy to breathe and grow over time. We also advocate for course corrections that occur at various intervals in the future. That allows you to take the circumstances that you're experiencing as an organization and be true to yourselves about how your strategy is allowing you to take ground and maybe where it's falling behind. We relish the opportunity to facilitate dynamic strategy, and I'd love the opportunity to speak with you about how dynamic strategy can help take your organization to the next level.